Welcome, in front of me I have Realme 5i, and today I will show you how by using simple thin tools you can clean your charging port on your own, basically. So of course it's not working always. I mean, when you remove some kind of the mess inside and your phone still will be unable to charge, you have to get your phone to the professional phone service when they will took of it professionally, right? But in many cases such a simple cleaning works, so we can always try to do it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and as you can see inside I can spot probably some kind of the dust. So to remove it, let's put it from one of the edge, for example here, and then put it to the left side, but remember to do it gently. Try to don't break anything. So just follow the steps. And remember that if you cannot remove something, you can just go to the professional phone service. Don't risk and don't break your micro USB port. We can try to move it for the right side, because when I push it to the left, nothing is happening. So let me just put it here. Okay, and I'm going to remove with my fingers, and there it is. Okay, and here we got also another part. And there it goes. Oh, there's a lot of dust, as you can see. So as you can see, it's finished. Alright, now I'm able to plug a cable here and charge my smartphone. So let me in a comment if it works in your case. I hope that it will work. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.